Okay, ji. Assalamu alaikum. We are doing the quadratic disguised equations. Now, quadratic equations can be written as y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And disguised equations can be in form of y is equal to ax to the power 4 plus bx squared plus c. Y is equal to ax to the power 8 plus bx to the power 4 plus c. Y is equal to ax to the power 1 plus bx to the power half plus c. Now, if you see that bx will have half the power of normal ax, like ax to the power 8, and bx has power 4. So at the same time, you will consider this as this guy's quadratic equation. Now, knowing the fact that, let's say that we have a question as x to the power 4 minus 13x squared plus 36 is equal to 0. I know one thing, that this is x squared and this is x to the power 4. If we break x to the power 4, we can break this as x squared multiplied by x squared. And x squared is already here. So we can suppose it as let a is equal to what? X squared. If we do this, we can write this thing as x to the power 4 is x squared, x squared. This can be written as a multiplied by a. And if we disguise it, we can disguise it as a squared. So this should be a squared minus 13a plus 36 should be equal to what? 0. So using the same equations as a square minus 13a plus 36 is equal to 0, we can use middle term breaking here. If this has coefficient 1, right? And this is 36. 1 into 36 is 36 a multiplied by c. So 1 into 36 becomes 36. Two factors that we can have, that 9 and 4. 9 fours is 36 and 9 plus 4 will give me 13. But sign here is negative. So we write it as a square minus 9a minus 4a plus 36 should be equal to 0. And what we see here is, we see that there can be two factors from the two values that we have. So we can write down a minus 9 minus 4, a minus 9 is equal to what? 0. So a minus 4 is one factor, a minus 9 is the other factor. This can be written as a minus 4 is equal to 0, a minus 9 is equal to what? 0. So a is equal to what? 4 and a is equal to what? 9. But we took this as what? We took a as x squared. So x squared was written as a. So we will change this thing again. X squared, a can be written as a x squared is equal to 4. Same with this, x squared is equal to 9. And this can be written as what? X is equal to under root 4. X is equal to under root 9. X is equal to plus minus 2, right? And x is equal to plus minus 3. So the given equation, the questions were this. So x can be plus minus 2 comma plus minus 3 for the given question, that is x to the power 4 minus 13x squared plus 36 is equal to what? 0. Similarly, if we have question such as x minus 5 under root x plus 6 is equal to what? 0. Now, I see this as x to the power 1, right? This is x to the power 1 minus 5. This can be x to the power half. So I can take a as x to the power half. So in this x1, we have x half multiplied by x half. When bases are same, powers are added. So we can have this as what? A. So this can be written as a square. So directly as x minus 5, x half plus 6 is equal to 0 can be written as a square minus 5a plus 6 is equal to 0. If we use middle term breaking in this, what we can do is a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6 is equal to 0. A minus 3 minus 2, a minus 3 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2 and a is equal to 3. But we already knew that a was in place of x to the power 1 half is equal to 2. X to the power half is equal to 3. Half to the power on the other side goes and becomes square. Similarly, 3 square. So this should be x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 9 are the two answers for x minus 5, x to the power half plus 6. Similar to this, if we had x8, x to the power 8 plus 16 is equal to 17, x to the power 4. What we can do is x to the power 8 minus 17, x to the power 4 plus 16 should be equal to what? 0. Now I see that minimum value of double is a, x to the power 4. So this can be written as a square minus 17a plus 16 is equal to what? 0. So a square minus 16a minus a plus 16 is equal to 0. A minus 16 minus 1, a minus 16 is equal to 0. So a minus 1 is equal to 0, a minus 16 is equal to 0. A becomes 1 and a becomes what? 16. But this was for what? X to the power 4. 1 and x to the power 4 is equal to what? 16. So this will become plus minus 1 and under root obviously 4, this will become plus minus 2. This is for this guy's quadratic equation as x to the power 8 plus 16 is equal to 17, x to the power 4. Thank you.